no corridor
every corner.
yes into if your corridor be honoma a cross straight to said the bedroom must be honum and so no they were there doing their own thing and then later oba says here onya threesome or no suffer no a requested threesome and I'm saying hey I can't do threesome and then this man too I don't trust him.
It is not my job to abuse that person. It is not I hold an office of trust and I cannot abuse the office of trust. There is too much defamation and defamation and maligning and marginalizing against the pulpit and the altar of God. There is too much blood on the pulpit.
Me amijira we me nyame nipa me nya adre nipa me nya bonsam nipa me nyame nipa sanso na wo a wo hwe me no ye nyame nipa na ade ne be ka kye wo say when they are your anointed man of God by their actions and not by you yourself so be sekola nia odo ka say in the name of religion nipa jimini e bodge ne so asori for ne bodge ne so say why ya de no so jimini no abeja no keka akaka bensam wo de dan na samwa wo ye na okeka na ekofo je ne so e jimini at the highest order.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, Xposed GH. Ben Bruce is my name. Baby, I'll be in check as mount. Prophet Kofi Oduro, the five brand man. Or can work I was so jabba with Jimmy papa. And Yam Kai was so jabba with Jimmy fucking. Was it Jimmy na wu Jimmy no? Because un Jimmy ya. Adentin na sebe. Obia waba aso ese mabaji nkwaje. Na wo duwa nwa kwa nipa na frem wabu bunu waye na yase doso yankohemra.
We bring shame to the name of the Lord. We give chance. Look at the way a soft will be a makwani a kekankwa siasem etie urade adwuma eni urade dini wo yere obi aba sorry enka wo adwuma eni se wo kira ne nkwaje ye kwan. The way of salvation, that is our responsibility. We a fake prophet kurano enke nipa begu na se no dwen se metimi afa baburu na mafa kwantre ne so wo bia wono aba sore na wo hwehwe nkwaje kwa me na dwuma ene se me kire ne nkwaje kwa enyama dwuma ne se me wuro ne praise ya enyama dwuma. It is not my job to abuse that person. It is not I hold an office of trust and I cannot abuse the office of trust. There is too much defamation and defamation and maligning and marginalizing against the pulpit and the altar of God. There is too much blood on the pulpit. Too much. And I speak against Ghana Jamaya Sofo. I speak to you, a Jamaican fly. Return and repent. You will die a miserable death. I told you the mind of God. Saba Trinity be sunu me preach no obi atie urade asem no ato mirika ba so obi tie nyame asem me nyo bia ne antwempra se wo kra no a because you have given a great opportunity for people to blaspheme the name of the Lord. Look at the way Parliament have allowed themselves for just some few people. Get out of the pulpit and go and sit somewhere. I see a human Ghana Hana and man will take advantage of them, and because you have money and you have influence, you try to blackmail them and you try to abuse them, and all these women groups are quiet And these women are suffering in silence. I know I'm not blame one I don't koi, one I row draws, and we didn't see. I'm warning you. Now I'm talking to you. According to Ezekiel 13 and verse number 2 down, 3 down, you know, makwa. I didn't say that. The Bible said, woe unto the foolish prophets. Israel will know that the prophet is a fool and the spiritual man is mad for the multitude of your iniquity and the great hatred.
You see, yaka say nyame nipa, hwani nyame nipa. Me a mejira we me nyame nipa, me nya adre nipa. Me nya bonsam nipa, me nyame nipa. Sanso na wo a wo hwe me no ye nyame nipa. Na edie ne be ka che wo say when they are anointed man of God by their actions and not by you say so be sekola. Nia odo ka say in the name of religion nipa jimini e bodge ne so asori for ne bodge ne so say oh why ya de no so jimi no abeja no keka akaka bensam wo de dan na samwa wo ye na okeka na ekofo je ne so eye jimi at the highest order because only me be say Christianity is not name, it's not the title, it's the way of life. Which means that you are a Christian or not. Now Christianity as a be bomb said here. Is that Christianity? That is not Christianity. This is what we call devil at work. In a software be no makodia. One more day sorry. And nothing as software to me boba. Otimini oba da no abegina no akase yembo yensam nkyere no na ni kura mu way on finyame way of bronsam way ya bonti wo anko na so bia obronsam aso na wo kɔ no na ade bi mako chance upon me kura me ma hye me emafofo bi aba mo say na wo jaba ne mo bo tresam I we ma hye yan kɔ hwemra
November and the second week yes and girl no essay Papa no OGYABA no. Or see embra ni fie like or ni fie nti o say I went and Scott here and okay can be actually me they were in this and that this what they are doing or be ye or be fun with this kind of I don't know cars there but what car be a 4x4 mu ye dru pa e you the be o ma obi the be fun the stuff for back e the be fun all those days ni na say na stuff no ho na okọ ye dey okọ into no November no and I try say you call ni East Legon uju East Legon why you for boats or that boats God is my witness whatever I'm saying or that boats into other boats no next software be or guy be or tenten tuntun bi sa ni mu ye dru into no ni boats ni no den kasa ono na o church boats run no the part like Onyusu na ye East Legon free Chumesiwa hospital ho there kwa you pass through some rough road and now be true the junction so internal ye drew a fear honom no and I just say we entered so we rest here anymore you go in and there is a space I don't know whether if as an elevator or something that will take you there
yeah
it will be not just honom he has a hall like 2 halls into a baby if you come as a visitor or something yes so I was sitting down and then the man came he was wearing a shorts what has no shorts and a top OGYABA no and or just sleepers into honum no because I didn't want to meaning papa we me suba ushana me when I say you know me I'm a bad girl into me shana no and I saw a play into no. You know, I squeezed my phone to my shoulder as if I'm doing something, and I took a video of him in the shorts.
Evidence.
Do you get it?
Yes.
Yes. So I took a video of him in the shorts, and then my friend no pete kakra. Into no our corridor.
Every corner.
Yes. Into if your corridor be honoma a cross straight to say the bedroom must be honum. And so no they were there doing their own thing, and then later, Oba says, yeah, unya threesome. Or no suffer no request a threesome. And I'm saying, hey, I can't do threesome. And then this man too, I don't trust him. Into the end of we off met nursing na konyenum and I was not feeling comfortable bisa, but I managed to sit in it. And I just say, omuye. And I call ye omani 200 Ghana cedi. Yeah kono, yeah bano. Oma boats me de see you. But yeah kwade die. Yankasa ni call ye kwai and omani 200 Ghana cedi. Into yeah kono kana mi buefu and then answer na ye nanso was street.
200 Ghana cedis.
Yeah, 200 Ghana cedi.
And I say, Bia, or this scammer were down for no back door.
Well, I can't tell. I can't tell. So this Caribbean man at the Dana say, but what she showed to me was 200 cedi. Internal, yeah,
but so you have our account not so private.
Oh, working.
Yeah.
Okay. Inter yeah, and your base here, no. Some 3 days later or 4 days later, and I'm Madame von Becker says,
I chose only 3 some. My church room, and my 2, na Bema back home, and now Bema 2, my back home. Now, almost have sex. I look been an answer so funny, and you're not making me say videos are there. People are saying so. It's not the first time. For those who are saying, say he's a human being, he is a human being. Fine. Accepted, but Oyobia or wako deep into sin. We're rushing him sebe ujina enje or yet while we room and onya remorseful. Bonino odi na nenia brace so odi bonino because answer na obi beka se me botre sam no they say what try styles e wo wiase nyina asi wa bo 99 wa bo 79 wa bo wheelbarrow wa to mutin grigi ni nyina asi and answer na also obebo tresam na so for to be bo tresam de na say we wild yes we nya ne wa bo it mu amu different so for we mu nyina magimi because tresam obebo ne che say oyobi a wa kwadre wo sex mu e kasi edi a me say oya de say bible no do onim na di onim asofo bebre o tresam your favorites unim am ka che na ne ye de ya no bo maase no ano no mo de be kan bible no mo de bo ma na se na sabi nti obegina asem obeka nyina tumi ni ya dai na no what I say no kwejina say papa we on shira wo akwa sa sorry no shame on you I expose the HFM Bruce o subscribe me the tumpa na sa ka be manuasi.
Keep watching Xposed, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.